So hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna tell you about the best smooth Android launcher in any HyperOS devices. So how you can install these launcher and which are these launcher. By the way, I am telling you three launcher which are smooth for the HyperOS devices. So first of all guys, you have to go to Play Store and I am giving you the name about the launcher. First one is Smart Launcher, this one. So just open it, just install this. By the way, I already installed, so just after installing just open it, and then this is how its interface look like. So this one is the first launcher, and for second launcher guys, just go to Play Store and here search for a Microsoft launcher. So install the Microsoft launcher, I already installed it, and then click to open. So this is how the interface look like about the Microsoft launcher. This one is also a smooth launcher, by the way. And so this is a second launcher. And if you're talking about the third launcher guys, so just go to Play Store and here search for a Pixel launcher. So install the Pixel launcher guys and then open it. And if you're talking about the smoothness about the launchers, so yes, this launcher is also very smooth, and these are the three best launcher for the mobile phone to install. So that's it about the video guys. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.